Okay, so this is my Samsung Galaxy S2. It quit charging. Now I've ordered a new phone, but in the meantime I still need my phone for 3 or 4 days until the new one arrives. What I've done is taken a USB cable, opened it up, found the positive and negative, the red and black. Find the, can you see? I don't know if you can see. Anyhow, the battery here has positive and negative markers on it, so you can tell which are which. And I just line that up there with the pins. And you can see I've taken the cable. I don't know if you can see very well, but I've taken the cable and hooked it to those pins. Okay? Now I'm going to take the cable over here. And I'm going to put the battery in. The battery in just like that. See if I can get it in there. Okay, battery's in. So it wasn't charging before. So now we're going to flip it over. Plug it in over here. If we can get it the right way. Plug it in. Okay. And see if it comes up. There you go. So, jumper cables for your phone until you get a new one, yeah? Yeah. Okay. Have a good day, guys.